Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss somehow different topic, and it will be interesting. So the title is How to Start a Car Sharing Business in 2021. So we all have been told numerous times as a children never to enter a car with a stranger. That just one rule that went out the window when Uber and other car sharing business appeared. Despite the word of wisdom our mother tries to impart on us, we not only get in the cars with the strangers, so we download the app and actively seek them so we can get in the cars with them. Some would say that this is just another way of modern society is destroying traditional rules. So Uber has so successful that company's name has become household atom. Not only that, but people are using its verb just like Google. So it has completely changed the way of thinking about public transportation. So in general, there are two ways a company can reduce its loss and turn the profit. It can either cut the cost or increase the income. Unfortunately, Uber doesn't have either of those options. So Uber's bigger expense is drivers. Now, seeking the biggest challenge, being a car sharing business in the world, struggles to make the end meet. So, the logical question is, can anyone make ride sharing profitable? The answer is yes, but under a circumstances or circum conditions only. So find a niche. Now one of the biggest problem with the Uber is that they are so connected on the growth that they often skip steps in order to reach that goal. So one of those steps is background checks. In their pursuit to add more drivers to their fleet, Uber doesn't really pay much attention to who are they are hiring. As long as they have a car and can drive, they just take it. So that has promoted the criteria of several companies and called as Uber for kids. The specialized in driving accomplished in minor to and for school and any other destinations as well. So some even require more personal interviews with the potential drivers before they marry. Compared with the Uber's lax approach, this is equivalent to passing a background. So this is just one example of how niche can be exploited to create a profitable car sharing business. And this might not be the perfect way, but also this is just for the reference. The next one is create the app. The app is a crucial part of any ride sharing business. It has to be well designed and easy use, like the one that are presently in the market. Then test the market. The best way to test your concept is an urban environment with a high density of population. Young professionals drive far less than their parents and are in the need of reliable public transport. So if your business can provide that, you are very successful in short time. Then pay attention to your drivers. Now drivers are critical employees for any car sharing business. We mentioned how a simple example or a niche like a throughout background check can hurt a company. Keeping them happy on the streets will be half of your success. Install and follow a training program for the new drivers. This is only beneficial but also mandatory in some states like California. Offering incentive to driver with the highest rating and the most rides is a good way to reward your best employee. So you can offer them more money or you can provide the things that you know they will need. Free car repairs and maintenance are always welcome in this business. As much as required, as much as equipped they can use. Happy drivers will result in happy customers, which directly translate to a bigger market, a bigger share of market, and more revenue. So as long as your customers are willing to recommend your company, you are on a good track and also offers loyalty program to them with the discount for the frequent rides or the mileage. So all these factors combined should result in a profitable car sharing business. So this was all about today's video. It was a very short video. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.